Let's head on over now to Chief Meteorologist Dan Cianca. Dan, we had a little bit of moisture today. You felt it when you stepped out of the building. I felt a little bit of it this morning. Is it enough now? The question.
No.
To help with fire danger.
I mean, to help, yes, but barely. Yeah. Just anytime the humidity's up, that's going to keep our fire danger down. But you have to understand right now, our fuel moisture levels are extremely low. In some areas of California, record low fuel moisture. When I mean fuel moisture, I mean the amount of moisture that's in those yellow fields and brown trees you were talking about, or as I like to call it, the California golden landscape.
Golden landscape, yeah. Golden state.
Exactly, it's the California gold, but right now there's not a lot of moisture in the vegetation. Now we added a little bit to it today with the higher humidity values and in some cases some rain. We still have some showers out there tonight. Fire danger will remain high though, really until the winter, so don't let your guard down, please, I beg of you. So we look at our radar picture, you can see just a few isolated light showers. Luckily, no lightning within our viewing area today, so we have stayed good. With that said, there were a couple lightning strikes northwest of Coalinga this afternoon, or Coaling Station A, if you're familiar with the old railroad there. But we'll have to keep an eye on the southern Diablos over the next couple of days, as there were a couple of cloud-to-ground strikes. They kind of look like near the Los Gatos Creek Park. I know there's a Los Gatos up in the Santa Cruz Mountains, but there's also one down around Coalinga as well, like a park. It's a county park down there. I saw some lightning out there. We're going to keep an eye on that to make sure that there's no smoke in the coming days. But at the moment, not much going on outside of a couple sprinkles. Here's a look at Domenico's tonight. We're seeing mostly clear conditions, but it is warm and it is muggy out there. Take a look at this sunset, though. This was the view from our back parking lot in Salinas tonight. I was standing out there was a couple raindrops falling, some nice color in the sky. These little spokes here of light are called crepuscular rays, and they occur because some clouds cast shadows and then the sun rays sneak through where there's holes and gaps, and it just kind of separates the light and you get these cool little effects. It was a beautiful sunset. Hopefully you got to see it tonight. Some people even saw some rainbows, as we did have some showers moving through the region. Take a look at the highs today. It was still warm today, but not hot. Maybe, well, I mean, that 94 degrees would have been hot on the coast, but in Bradley, that's nothing. That's 94. That's very comfortable for folks in Bradley. Hollister, only 81 today. Well, we think we got up to like 113 at the highest this week, or last week, I should say. 79 Santa Cruz, 77 in Salinas, Monterey 73. Okay, we were warm on the coast, but not hot. And we're going to stay that way tomorrow. And it's going to be muggy as well. In fact, there's a lot of humidity in the air tonight. It's holding on to some of the heat of the day. And right now, we're still in the mid-70s in Salinas. It's 73 in Monterey. We're close to the high in Monterey still tonight because there's so much moisture in the air. It just acts as an insulator and holds on to the heat. Plus, we're adding a little bit of tropical warmth as that easterly flow continues to push the warm air across the Central Valley into our area. It's mixing it in with our marine layer and keeping that tight, cold, dense inversion from forming. So it's a lot working against cool weather at the moment, but at least we're not hot. We're going to stay muggy and warm tomorrow before we cool off a little bit during the work week. But overnight tonight, temperature staying pretty warm. If you open up your windows overnight, you're not going to cool off all that much, to be honest, but it'll help, I suppose, if your house is still pretty hot. The bigger picture showing the remnants of K still spinning here off the coast of Southern California, a trough of low pressure offshore, a weak ridge of high pressure overhead, and the moisture associated with it just getting stretched in all sorts of directions. K is pulling some in. We've got stretching to the north here. We've got stretching to the east here. So ultimately, while the moisture is hanging around tomorrow, it's going to start to dry out as we head into the work week. That's going to put an end into any shower chances for us, and we'll also bring some drier air into the region. Futurecast overnight showing skies staying partly cloudy. Can't rule out a few more lingering light showers, but nothing major expected overnight. And then we're going to start off the day partly cloudy tomorrow. As we head through the day tomorrow afternoon, I could see a few showers maybe popping up over our inland hills, especially in the south. We'll see that here on Futurecast over our southern mountains of San Benito and Monterey counties late tomorrow afternoon. You can see them pop up right there. And for the most part, though, they should be pretty isolated. It's still a possibility of some lightning tomorrow. I'm just not seeing a lot of instability. So most areas will probably stay dry tomorrow. There's just a very isolated chance of a shower tomorrow afternoon. And then tomorrow night, we'll probably see some fog return to the coast. But it's still going to be a very warm and muggy day tomorrow. Here are the highs, 80s in the Santa Cruz Mountains, upper 70s to 80s on the coast, lows overnight all in the 60s. I mean, these are pretty warm lows for our area. Typically this time of year, we should see lows in the low to mid 50s, both on the coast and inland. Hollister tomorrow, 88, getting a little bit warmer in the Santa Clara Valley, 89, low 80s in Salinas and Watsonville. So again, a little bit warmer tomorrow because we'll have more sunshine and it will be muggy out there. but not hot for this time of year, not necessarily. 75 in Marina, also 70s in Aptos tomorrow. The Monterey Peninsula, mostly in the low to mid 70s, with 73 your high in Monterey, just a couple of degrees above normal. And then farther south, no extreme heat, but we'll find some mid to upper 90s in our southern valleys, while most of the Salinas Valley will stay in the 80s. So over the next 7 days, temperatures on the coast will drop about 6 more degrees on Monday, and then hover close to our seasonal normal high, which is around 71 for the next week. Winds will pick up on the coast at times out of the northwest, so it could be breezy at times this week, but we'll see mostly sunny skies. We'll have some low clouds in the mornings, but I think the afternoon should be mostly sunny for most of the week. And it should be pretty nice fall-like weather, honestly. You might start to make those early journeys to the corn maze, or start thinking about some sort of pumpkin spice thing in the morning. The lows are going to get colder, you know? We're not going to have as much moisture, and you'll see that inland too. Look we go from a low overnight tonight of 63 inland to 49 by Thursday, so much cooler lows coming, and our highs, that 80 on Wednesday, such a far cry from the triple digits that we saw last week. You guys were asking me for a cool down. We finally got one coming.